Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 429 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was actually using a live trading account, and that's using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 328 of the other strategies that we have put it up against. Every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,052 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says the range filter, the most accurate buy-sell indicator on TradingView. And so first of all, the range filter itself does give buy and sell signals, as you can see right here. But in this particular case, the strategy is using two different indicators. So it just seems like if the range filter was the most accurate indicator, it could be used by itself. But nonetheless, I digress. We'll put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So the first indicator we will add to the screen obviously is going to be the range filter. Range filter buy and sell 5 minute. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this. And what we're going to do is under the inputs, make sure that all three of these inputs are as seen here. Close 103. Then jump into the styles. You're going to turn off everything within this top section except for the buy and sell signals right here. Click OK, and it should only be displaying the buy and sell signals. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the volumetric variable index dynamic average. Quite a mouthful. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And this one will jump into the settings as well. And what we'll do is under the video link right here, change that to 34. Just make sure these other selections are the same. And under the styles, this is what we have, only this is unchecked. Click OK. So what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when we get a sell signal like this here from the range filter. And at the same time, we want price to be trading below the video line, the line right here. And we want the background to be this kind of darkish maroon color, red. And once those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. Pretty simple. We'll put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop right above this little pivot area that's formed there. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And it takes just a little bit, and we make this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for, so we're looking for the video line to be green, like this here with this green background, and then we are looking for a buy tag from the range filter, like this here. And once those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this little pivot area here, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so again, it takes just a little bit, but we make this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 26 winning trades and 24 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 52% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $9,600 for an overall gain of $6,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy. Again, is it the most accurate buy-sell signal indicator? I'm not really confident in that. It seems like we've had a few that have been better, but all in all, it did pretty reasonably well. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 69 trades altogether. We had 55 winning trades and 14 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $33,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $16,800 for an overall gain of $16,200. So definitely better results. And if you had to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would increase the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $33,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so just the other day we closed out winning trade number 53. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at that. That is 53 winning trades in a row using the Academy of Forex indicator, trading the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, as well as the position management strategy. And that's over 3 months now of 100% profitability. We have not taken a losing trade yet. In backtesting, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and read up on the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.